Welcome back, drone enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the latest rumors and updates about the anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro. This compact drone is set to bring a host of exciting new features, making it a must-have for both beginners and professionals. Let's explore what makes the Mini 5 Pro stand out, starting with its impressive portability and lightweight design. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to maintain its sub-250 grams weight, which is a significant advantage as it exempts the drone from licensing requirements in many regions. This makes it incredibly convenient for both casual users and professionals who want to avoid the hassle of additional paperwork. Additionally, the new, lighter battery design ensures that the drone can still achieve the expected 40-minute flight time. This combination of portability and performance makes the Mini 5 Pro an ideal choice for those who need a reliable and easy-to-transport drone. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature a significant camera upgrade, with a 1-inch sensor, an improvement from the Mini 4 Pro's first 3-inch sensor. This enhancement is expected to deliver superior low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and higher detail resolution. These camera upgrades make the Mini 5 Pro ideal for professional-grade visuals, catering to landscape photographers and content creators who require high-quality imagery in various lighting conditions. Whether capturing breathtaking landscapes or detailed close-ups, this camera is designed to meet the demands of professional photography and videography. The Mini 5 Pro is set to include improved object recognition and tracking algorithms, enhancing its ability to follow fast-moving subjects seamlessly. This feature is particularly beneficial for action-packed filmmaking, as it allows the drone to maintain focus on dynamic scenes with precision. The enhanced AI tracking capabilities ensure that users can capture smooth, professional-looking footage even in challenging conditions. This makes the Mini 5 Pro a powerful tool for both amateur and professional filmmakers looking to elevate their aerial shots. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to include 5G connectivity, which will significantly enhance the drone's performance. This addition is expected to provide higher resolution live feeds, smoother real-time communication, and faster responsiveness. These improvements will benefit both professional and recreational drone users, offering a more seamless and immersive flying experience. Whether you're capturing live events or conducting aerial surveys, the enhanced connectivity ensures that you get the best possible performance from your drone. Another anticipated feature of the Mini 5 Pro is an advanced 360 degrees obstacle avoidance system. Utilizing visual, infrared, and ultrasonic sensors, this system will improve flight safety and precision, especially in complex environments. The ability to detect and avoid obstacles from all directions ensures that the drone can navigate safely, reducing the risk of collisions and making it easier for users to capture smooth and uninterrupted footage. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to match or slightly exceed the 40-minute flight time of its predecessor. This impressive battery life is optimized for power efficiency, ensuring extended usage without compromising the drone's lightweight design. This means users can enjoy longer flight sessions, whether for professional aerial photography or recreational flying without the need for frequent recharges. The combination of a lighter battery and extended flight time makes the Mini 5 Pro a versatile and reliable choice for drone enthusiasts. The Mini 5 Pro is likely to debut in late 2024, following DJI's typical release cycle. The estimated price range for this feature-packed drone is expected to be between $700 and $800, offering strong value for its advanced capabilities. This price point positions the Mini 5 Pro as a competitive option in the market, appealing to both beginners and professionals seeking a high-quality, compact drone. While the DJI Mini 5 Pro may not be revolutionary, it promises meaningful enhancements in camera performance, AI capabilities, and connectivity. These improvements continue to balance innovation with portability, making it a versatile and powerful tool for both recreational and professional use. The Mini 5 Pro's blend of advanced features and lightweight design ensures that it remains a top choice for anyone looking to capture high-quality aerial footage. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts about the DJI Mini 5 Pro in the comments. Stay tuned for more updates and insights on the latest drone technology. See you in the next video.